I'm Steph Knoll with the Oregon Trails Coalition, and today I'm going to give a quick intro to our Signature Trails project and what we mean by Signature Trails. Back in 2019, the Oregon Trails Coalition, along with partners including Travel Oregon, the Oregon Parks and Recreation Department, and other agencies, worked on a task force to define what the Signature Trail vision for Oregon could look like. We started out by looking at signature trail experiences from around the globe and asking what were the common factors that made these into world-class experiences. We looked at the Wales Coast Path, which is a pathway around the entire Wales coastline, 870 miles, easily accessible by many coastal towns and cities. It has one website you can go to plan your trip and find all the resources you need. We looked at the Camino de Santiago, an ancient network of pilgrim routes that today is enjoyed by many people who are walking those routes and enjoying lodging options, local foods, and experiencing extensive trail wayfinding, transportation services, etc. along the way. We also looked at a more rugged backcountry example in the New Zealand Great Walks. And we knew as we were looking at these world-class signature trail experiences, when we applied it to Oregon, we wanted to look at world-class experiences for all kinds of trail users across the non-motorized and motorized trail user spectrum. And we thought that even when looking at Oregon signature trails for all kinds of users, there were still some consistent criteria that made for a world-class signature trail experience. And those criteria we landed on were that signature trails provide access to iconic landscapes and places that people really want to visit. That signature trails provide scalable experiences. They're long enough distance that people can have a multi-day experience if that's what they're looking for on the signature trail or trail system. Signature trails are consistent. This is both in terms of branding and identity, in terms of wayfinding along the way, and also in terms of the maintenance or safety level along the length of the trail. Signature trails are coupled with transportation options, particularly for people traveling without a car. So frequent, easy to locate public transit or private transportation services, safe walking and biking connections, shuttle services, other ways to access the trail or access the communities along the way. There are lodging options within a day's journey as part of a signature trail experience. Based on the type of the trail, that could vary from dispersed camping to cabins or yurts to lovely inns. Signature trails include a range of easy to locate service providers where folks can rent the gear they need, access shuttles, access information or guide services, and learn about local communities as well as important safety and ecological info. And that signature trail experiences include many opportunities to embrace local food, art, and culture. And lastly, that signature trail experiences mean being able to find all of the information you need easily. So up-to-date info, maps, conditions, information, distance and tide tables, safety and visitor etiquette, all of that kind of information can be accessed in one place. This spring, we took our signature trail vision out to 7 different regional listening sessions to find out about local priorities for signature trails. And out of those listening sessions, we learned a lot, but there were 2 factors that really jumped out at us as also things to consider, and that were trails that connect communities to each other and to special landscapes, and what we like to call community stoke, or community enthusiasm and organized effort from the community to see a trail to reality. We know that it will take collaboration and visionary leadership to create signature trail experiences in Oregon, and that is what this current project is about. So the goals of our current inventory project are to identify signature trail priorities of different regions and trail user groups in Oregon, identify near-term project investments that could tangibly forward the development, construction, or improvement of those trails in a way that aligns with community goals, and to build excitement and support for meaningful investments in Oregon's trail networks. This project is not trying to change local priorities, change criteria for existing grant programs, or threaten funding for smaller, locally important projects, or create a new designation. We are trying to service local investment priorities and elevate them to a level of statewide significance. And we are trying to identify and build support for new funding opportunities for these big long distance trails that will take a lot of strategic investment to see through to reality. So thanks for watching our Oregon Signature Trails Inventory intro video. Thanks to everyone who participated in our listening sessions and everyone who's given us feedback through our survey or other conversations.